Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I've got my ScavBots Robotic Pool Cleaner. This is model PC1, and it's so easy to use, it's only 14 pounds. Now, this is what they call the buoy with the tether on it, and what this does is it monitors your pool's pH, and it also lets you connect wirelessly by Bluetooth, so you can use the app and control it. So loosen up the cap on it and take it off, and the connector will go right in. Just like that. And twist the base, because you want a watertight connection. Don't want water to leak in there. There you go. It's all tight. This is okay to just dangle. And once it's connected, just turn on the on button on the back right here. One time. It makes a sound. And now that it's all connected, it's time to put it in the pool. We got action, Jackson. So on the app, you press connect. The app comes up, and there's all these different things. You can have it too. On the app, there's different modes. There's waterline, there's hole, and there's pool bottom. And there's also a customizing quick task, like doing the whole pool. So you can add your custom features to it. All of pool. With timing, I'm going to have it do a 2-hour clean. And designated mode, whole pool. I'm going to save that. This is a toggle switch which drives it. One is forward, the other is backward, to the right, and to the left. Right now I want it to go forward, so I'm just pressing the forward button, and it's moving in that direction. Just press it once and it'll keep going until you move it. Now I'm going to have it go and turn. That way you can target little messes that you've made just by pressing the button. So this will make it go right just by touching it once. The ScavBots Robotic Pool Cleaner is equipped with a pH sensor. You'll receive real-time pH measurements and alerts to let you know. Having that buoy get the pH for your pool means that anytime you want to, you can check your app to see what that pH level is. That's quite an innovation in a robotic pool cleaner. Because you wouldn't want the kids jumping in the pool in the wrong pH. That's an important element of having a safe, clean pool to swim in. In the past, it's been hard to achieve and maintain the perfect pH balance, but now it's never been easier. That buoy is always measuring the pH for you. And I'm going to be putting some heavy potting soil in the pool. Watch it clear that up. In just a few minutes, that will be clean from my controls on my app. Look at all that dirt and some heavy sand and those pebbles. That's heavy. That's going to take a lot of suction power for any pool vacuum to clean up. The ScavBots is made for this kind of a mess at the bottom of your pool. The ScavBots Robot Pool Cleaner is a top end of technology today. It has a 1200 PA suction power strength to get up dirt and debris and leaves at the bottom of a pool. ScavBots has a patented cutting-edge flow channel design for that suction power. This is new in the technology of robot pool vacuum cleaners. That's an impressive 1200 PA suction strength and a high flow rate of 4,800 gallons per hour. You need the flow rate to pull up the water in a fast pace as it's suctioning up the debris. That 4,800 gallons per hour flow rate is what allows that suction to work at full strength while it's inhaling that water and taking out the debris and the dirt and then exiting the clean water. You need both those things for an excellent robotic pool cleaner, and ScavBots has put that engineering into this model. The ScavBots Robotic Pool Cleaner is looking for that dirt. It is prowling around the bottom of the pool to get that dirt up for you. With this ScavBots, robot pool vacuuming requires less maintenance for cleaning than the old-fashioned kind of suction systems. This is where we have advanced in pool cleaning technology. Besides them looking ugly, you never could really use your pool if the cleaning was going on. You don't want a child stuck in those hoses and wrapped up in that. And those suction systems would tend to break down and need a lot of maintenance to keep running. And the small size of the ScavBots Robot Pool Cleaner makes it so you can enjoy swimming if it was working at the same time. Its schedule is not going to interrupt your swimming schedule. This robotic pool cleaner, the ScavBots, has a patented flow channel design and energy control technology that will go for 6 hours of continuous cleaning on one charge. You can clean your pool every day or customize it. The more you swim, the more you want your pool cleaned. But the customization that's on the app makes it so easy to design your cleaning program to suit your needs. The ScavBots Robotic Pool Cleaner is equipped with an intelligent path planning. This robotic pool cleaner takes the guesswork out of maintaining a spotless pool. It's going to get every square inch for it to be meticulously cleaned. And with all those cleaning modes on the app, there's many choices. You can choose the one you want done if there's something special you want it to do, like the pool bottom cleaning mode. That's the one I use most often. It'll even get algae that's accumulated on the bottom of your pool because the brushes of the ScavBots is so great for friction and stirring that algae up to be sucked away. You can choose the full coverage cleaning mode for the whole pool. Then you get all the features with the cleaning. And that's a quite simple mode to have it in to do all of the routines it needs to do for that spotless pool. It'll cover an extensive 9,700 square foot cleaning area, which means your pool can be as big as 15 by 30 feet. That's an extra large pool, and the ScavBots Pool Cleaner is suitable for all types of pools, small or large. I just love that with the ScavBots Smart app, I can remotely control my pool cleaner. I can send it to whatever targeted areas I want to clean, like that big pile of dirt. That ScavBots Smart app provides real battery monitoring and alerts. That means you'll know all about its power levels in case it's going to run out of power. The app is very comprehensive, and if the battery were to run out, it will come to the side so you can take it out and get it recharged. But that Smart app also has a come up button, and that will bring it to you so you can easily take it out of the pool anytime you want. I am just thrilled with this new robot cleaning technology, and ScavBots has incorporated the very best of it. It delights me every time I see how clean my pool gets so quickly with that impressive 1200 PA suction strength and that high flow rate of 4,800 gallons per hour. My pool is cleaned in no time, and this is a big pool because all I really want to do is be in that pool. But I like my pool clean to be in it. And cleaning the filter is as simple as this. It has a little slot it comes in. You just take it out of that slot and then you just hose it down. It's a very simple, easy process. Comes out clean every time. And then you're ready to be back in business. Simple. And the ScavBots Robot Pool Cleaner is such a great, sleek design. When you order your ScavBots Robot Pool Cleaner, it comes right to your door. I brought mine in. This is the packaging it came in. It's a great design box. It highlights some of the features on the box so you know how to use it even before you use it the first time. That was great. I took all the packaging off the box, and this is how it comes packaged. They've designed the packaging really well to make sure it doesn't get damaged during shipping, and I laid everything out. This is the electrical converter to help you charge. Here is a user manual. It's very well illustrated and easy to understand. It made things simple to set up. This is the floater that will read your pH levels in your pool, as well as directing your ScavBots for all of the app features. Here is a profile of the ScavBots. Very well designed. This is the side of it, and here is the front. Look at the treads on that durable plastic rubber. This is what makes it climb your walls. And brush for the algae right in front. See that? It's going to clean the surface of your pool as well as suck up all the debris. Now here's the other side and then the back of it. Now on this side, you see the power button on the back, that little silver button at the very bottom. And here's the top, and on the top, on the left side, is a filter basket. You just pull that up to get the filter out, and on the right is where you will secure the tether for the controls. Now I've taken the filter out, I put it on my counter, and I'm showing you all sides of the filter and how it opens. Very simple with the latch. Here's a close-up of the treads of the wheels on the side. Those are the rollers that get it around the pool. And here's underneath. I wanted you to see that too. The upper is where the suction brings in the water and all the debris from your pool. That's that big rectangle on the top. Now here I've hooked up the electrical to charge it. It plugs into any normal Northern America 120 volt outlet. And here is a converter box that does the charging for you. It turns green when it's on. And here's the back. Here's the two prongs that you put in the charging cable. And here's the top. And this is where your floater will screw into it in a watertight way. To download the app, in the user manual, they give you the QR code. So here I am doing that. You just scan it in like normal, and off you go to the races to hook everything up. It was very easy, a simple download. There was nothing complicated about it. I just went through all the menus. I clicked yes, I agreed, I went through, I allowed, and here you have it. It's downloading. It just took a couple of minutes. And then I go in the features, and with the pH level, it was really interesting. It explained to me what I needed to know about pH. That was very helpful. And here is the toggle on the front of the app, which is so simple. Right, left, up, down, and then come to surface. That was amazing. It's just like a gaming toggle. So simple to use. And here are the modes. There's a pool bottom mode, and that has it starting up horizontally. Then there's a global mode, and that's going to be able to go up and down. And then the waterline mode to clean your waterline. It puts it to the side to clean your waterline. That's pretty ingenious. I haven't seen that before. And then the bottom is a create task. You can tell it to do something special. I just did a simple whole pool. I had a simple timing of 1 hour, and it's going to do everything. The waterline, the whole pool, and the pool bottom, everything. I confirmed and I saved it. It's as simple as that to customize. ScavBots has come so forward with their technology. It's so great to have a beautiful pool ready for you at all times in case you're in the mood to take a dip. Wow, look at my beautiful pool. So click the link below to get your ScavBots model PC1. It's the best automated pool cleaner I've seen yet on the market. The year is 2023. The link to purchase is right there. I'm Rebecca Wren. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is for a really great pool for all your family and friend fun. Backyard pool party. Okay, now I'm gonna jump in. See you next time. Here's some other videos I think you'd like. A lot of great summertime recipes and other really cool devices for a pool right there.